Hey guys, this is Talha from TechBeast, and it's been a while since I last posted a video. That's mainly because of my exams going on, but now that I'm free, I'll be uploading videos consistently. So be sure to stick around and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the tech updates or my videos. Coming back to the topic of this video, recently there is an iPhone SE2 leak going viral over the internet, showing a guy using a mini iPhone X, which could possibly be the much awaited iPhone SE2. Now, iPhone SE is a handy and much budget-friendly phone by Apple, which retains the look of the iPhone 5 and 5S. But as you can see in the video, it's like the iPhone X but with a much smaller chassis. It appears to have a 4.7-inch bezel-less notched display. With the inclusion of a notch, it is clear that gone are the days of the Touch ID. Apple is focusing on 3D facial recognition, which it is really good at. So that means that the 3D facial scanner will be integrated into the notch just like the iPhone X. Now that is something well received by the general public, so it is definitely the move in the right direction. The button placement is the same as that of iPhone X, and the vertical dual camera setup is also present. There is no leak, however, regarding the iPhone SE2's price, but in my opinion, I think it is going to be around $450 to $500. The internals of this phone is not confirmed yet, but a wild guess is that it will have the same specs as that of iPhone 7 or 8, just like the previous SE had that of iPhone 6. So, what do you think about this interesting leak, guys? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on anything. Leave your thoughts in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.